Hi guys, welcome to Scratch for Kids. This is lesson 6. So we learn all of the basics. So now we will just make games. So today we will just make a simple drawing game. So let's start. First we delete this sprite because we don't need it. Then we will choose a beetle. Now we'll program it. When I click, go to X and Y, go to X0 and Y0. Point in direction 0 up and change pen size by 3 and set pen color to red and pen down and clear. Now when key press up arrow, move 10 steps, we will duplicate this. If key press down arrow, move 10 steps minus 10, we will duplicate this. This will be right arrow and this will be turn 10 degrees. We will duplicate this. This will be left arrow and this will be turn degrees by 10. Now when I click the green flag, if I press F arrow, the beetle goes up and it leave a line. Now when I click the right arrow, the beetle turns, and then I press the up arrow, the beetle moves and it leaves a line. So guys, that was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.